Lady Leshurr allegedly attacked her ex-girlfriend, Sydney Hussein, before biting her new partner, Shant Boye, a court has heard. The former Dancing on Ice contestant, 35, is charged with 2 counts of assault occasioning actual bodily harm over an alleged attack on her ex-girlfriend and her new partner during an altercation in London last year. The rapper, birth name Leshurr Ogaro, denies 2 counts of assault occasioning actual bodily harm. Ms. Ogaro, best known for her Queen's Speech series of freestyle songs, arrived at Snaresbrook Crown Court in London yesterday. Prosecutor Polly Dyer said in her opening statement, "In a nutshell, this is a case where in the early hours of the morning, after a night out, the defendants went and loitered outside one of their ex-girlfriend's houses, before going on to attack the ex-girlfriend's then new partner, followed by the ex-girlfriend. It was undeniably a relatively quick and dynamic incident, but the key issue you may think is who were the aggressors? It's claimed that Boye had left the home of Sydney before a car, appearing to be carrying 2 distressed women, flagged her down before they allegedly started shouting at her." Dyer added, "Ms. Ogaro came towards Ms. Boye and as she did so Ms. Boye put out her left hand to protect herself. As she did that the first defendant, Ogaro, bit her on the hand. I anticipate that Ms. Boye will also describe being punched by Ms. Ogaro." The court heard how Ogaro later kicked Hussein's dog, which had escaped when Sydney had rushed to defend her girlfriend while shouting at her, calling her names. Ogaro told police she was bitten by the dog as Ms. Boye was directing it to get her and that she was punched in the head and stamped on by Ms. Boye, Ms. Dyer said. Ms. Dyer added, she could not recall if she bit Ms. Boye but she would not do anything like that and did not think she would have been able to in any event. In her police interview, Smith said Ms. Boye had called over Ogaro and then dragged her into the car before later attacking her again, Ms. Dyer said. Ms. Dyer said Smith further claimed that Ms. Hussein bit Ms. Smith as she was pulling her away, and the dog bit her as well, and that Ms. Boye pulled her ponytail off, pulled her hair and punched her in the back of the head. The prosecutor added, the prosecution say there were lies told in the interviews of the defendants, most strikingly about their visit to near to Ms. Hussein's address, and that the accounts given do not account for the injury suffered by the complainants. She said the court is due to hear expert evidence about the bite mark to Ms. Boye's hand, adding, it is the prosecution case that it is consistent with a human bite mark. When they spoke to them shortly after the incident, police noted that the defendants also had injuries, including what are asserted to be dog bites, Ms. Dyer said. She added, you may not find it surprising that the defendants, if they had acted as alleged by the complainants, suffered some injuries. You may think that if an individual is attacked in the presence of their dog, that dog may act to defend them. Known professionally as Lady Leshurr, Ms. Ogaro is a MOBO award winner and has achieved critical acclaim for her freestyle raps. Away from music, she appeared on the Celebrity Circle in 2021, reached the semi-final of the 13th series of Dancing on Ice in 2021 and in April and August 2022, appeared as a guest panelist on the ITV show Loose Women. The trial continues. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.